Welcome to Komacut. We offer on-demand sheet metal fabrication for 1 to 100,000 units per order. Tutorial 9. Here's how to order custom engraved laser cut parts. Getting started. If you're an existing user, log in to the Komacut price quotation engine. New users should register first. Initiate your quote. Click on the Instant Quote button located at the top left of your screen. Upload your 3D drawing. Either click Browse to select your file or simply drag and drop your 3D drawing to upload it. Once uploaded, the system will begin analyzing the file. Provide part details. Input revision number. If needed, adjust the part number and description. Select specifications. Choose the materials, series, thickness, finish, finishing options, tolerances, and the quantity you need. Calculate costs. Click Calculate this to view the cost breakdown. See the Info and Warning tabs briefly highlighting the part features and the design challenges identified by the system. Once the cost is calculated, review the unit price variations showing the price per unit based on the quantity ordered. Review your part. Click View Details to see a 3D or flat view of your part. Examine the specifications, including details about the part's design data and manufacturing processes. Click Analysis to review the Design for Manufacturability (DFM) process limitations and any warnings and errors that may arise. Finalize your quote. Close the window and click Create Quote at the bottom of the screen to generate your quote.